Stop scrolling. Imagine stepping onto a $200 million yacht, and suddenly, a wall slides open to reveal a secret virtual reality gaming room. This isn't sci-fi, it's real. Inside, motion capture floors sync with 360-degree screens, letting you battle dragons or race supercars while gliding on ocean waves. Plush leather seats, gold accents, and a dedicated server room ensure zero lag. After gaming, relax in a champagne spa or dine with a panoramic sea view. If you had access to this hidden oasis, what's the first VR world you'd explore?